Hello. Let's hope that this works. I don't know how well it will. We're going to wait for sound from the iPad that's sat here. Oh, that's sound. It works. We have sound this time, unlike last time. Hopefully I'm not too loud. I do have chat open. We're gonna see how this goes. We also get to see if my Discord bot works, because it's a toss of a coin if it does work or not. It should today, frankly, because it worked for the test streams that I did a while back. I'm gonna open Discord on the phone. I should get pinged, really. We'll see. Me 6 hasn't come through yet, so I don't think anything will work. So today we're going to try something completely and utterly random. I'm streaming currently from a laptop. So before we start, let's go over the streaming setup. I'm using a piece of Mac-specific software today, so I'm streaming from my MacBook. I will get the screen capture up. This is not a powerful MacBook. It doesn't have any PII on it, does it? No. Right. Let's do that. This is not a powerful MacBook. At all. 2.3 gigahertz. So we're streaming. That's what we're streaming from today, just before we start. So if this stream, I do have Intel Power Gadget on a different window, so we'll see how well this works, because I seriously don't know how well it will. You see, typically here, oh god. I also, when I have my laptop, because I'm working over 3 different screens here, because having anything else open on the laptop causes it to die, so I have the program that I'm streaming, Safari, because I might need to show something in Safari at some point, and then I have OBS and Intel Power Gadget, so I have, 4 things open on this MacBook? I'm doing everything else on Togepi. I was gonna use an NDI stream, but there was too much latency, so we'll stick on just straight up streaming from a MacBook. This is a good idea, isn't it? Not. So, okay, I'm just going to accept that this ping isn't coming through from the Discord bot. It's probably crashed. Is it alright? He's not restarted. Although he might have restarted and not connected properly to Twitch. We'll see. Right. So it does currently have Fun Laptop Test Stream in the title, but I will change that, because what we are doing today, if I do this and try not to break everything. What was it? That was some noise. I've not put my phone or watch into silent, so they might go off. Put the laptop into Do Not Disturb. This is I have to do desktop capture. We also do have a technical difficulty screen, which there is a 200. Oh, is it the neighbour? The neighbour taking the dog for a walk. Oh my god, be quiet. Some of us are trying to stream, and I have to have the volume quite high. We don't want to repeat the last time where I tried to stream Fall Guys and it just didn't work. So, what we're doing today is we're going to try and do some captioning. Why? I thought it would be funny. I don't know why. So, we're testing this with an old Skyblock video, because I thought it would be funny, and I'd already done some captions for it, which means I don't have to do a lot of typing, because I can't be bothered. This will not be a long stream, because I have to go do some painting, because we're decorating, and I want to get it done for Christmas, now that Boris has given us a couple of days off of the lockdown for Christmas. I've got family coming around, so I need to decorate. Fun laptop. Oh, that's noisy. I'm going to do this while I change the title. That's better. So, right, let me unmute desktop audio. There's desktop audio. We have MacBook sound. Look, it works. This is Final Cut, my preferred editing tool. This is why we're streaming from the Mac. There's two reasons for Final Cut. One, it just straight up performs better. I was editing a project a while back that I've cancelled. It's not coming out because it was too much work. I was editing a project, I'd done some of it in Resolve, which is what we use about sort of 50% of the time. It's what Sam edits in. Did my keyboard just restart? Oh, that's fun. Oh yeah, since the last time we streamed, well, last time we streamed properly, I've got a new keyboard. I'm on a SteelSeries keyboard now with with actual competent buttons. Where was I? Yeah, I use Final Cut for this for two reasons. One, it straight up just performs better on this laptop. I think that's because I don't have a paid copy of Resolve. But, nah. I am on the trial of Final Cut as well, before anybody asks. I did not just pay £300 for Final Cut without testing it. This is the trial. Apparently I'm streaming at 0 kilobits a second. Twitch, help. Oh. We appear to be dropping all of the frames. Thanks, Apple. I cannot make this any easier to stream. This is not a good start. If that looks like that on this iPad, I'm going to hit the ceiling. I already hit the ceiling this morning when I realised that it's not possible to do. Not possible to do audio capture straight from the MacBook. Apparently I have to install a driver. No, that's the lock button. So yeah, I had to install some random thing on the internet that I did refer to the SteelSeries guide, not the SteelSeries, the Streamlabs guide for doing this. I'm using regular OBS because I don't like Streamlabs. Thank you, next door, for making noise. So, I'm going to click into Final Cut and hope that I don't drop all of the frames again. Oh no. Okay, it's not so bad at the minute, but we are currently looking at a static screen. And the other reason I use Final Cut is because it can do subtitles in CEA 608 and TTML, or its derivative ITT, which I was tweeting about the other day. This is why I was tweeting about that. Which is fun. Along with supporting SRT, so Resolve only supports VTT and SRT. YouTube don't support colours in VTT, which is irritating. But then VTT is sort of all over the shop with colours. The names aren't standard apparently. I read that standard, they seem pretty standard. But that might just be me being a complete and utter idiot. Which is what I spend most of my time being, frankly. I'm going to move the chair closer. The sound is working actually remarkably well, considering it's a me stream, and we historically have issues. Well, all of my streams have some problems or another, in some way. That's just how we operate here. If it's an RPGPN stream, it's gotta have a problem of some description, whether it be sound, the laptop just drops 586 frames, maybe the internet connection will die, maybe the laptop will kernel panic. I won't put it past it, it did that the other week. Should we get started? So, you'll notice we're doing colours here. We have different colours for... Let me open number 5, because that's got some of the colours in it. So, yeah, we have different colours for different people. This is why I have Safari open, so that I can come to here and show that I made a document for this because I'm sad. I think that animation just killed it, and I apologise for that. But there is nothing I can do, I'm not turning the animation off. Twitch says the stream is excellent. you're wrong. Yeah, I set these out so that I have sort of something. It's on the RPGPM website. I totally didn't do a git commit and push in a very big rush this morning about an hour before the stream started, going, oh god, I need to get this out. OBS, what are you lying about? That looks fine on Twitch. Where am I? I'm there. There we go. So, yeah, so we have different colours for all of us. You know, I'm yellow because I arbitrarily assign myself yellow. Because this goes up on Sam's channel, he was white in this one because that's the default colour for this. White text, black background. I am gonna go here, because I don't know what to say here, I'm gonna say Roxy. I don't know what she wants to be called. She probably doesn't expect me doing this. So we're gonna stick with Roxy for now. And JPEG, but if you look hard enough, these videos are currently private. This is the, well, they are public in one place, but these are currently private, so they are currently this stream is the only way of watching these Skyblock videos unless you are currently sat in the room of one person because they're on their computer. So yeah, I'm gonna not do. Oh yeah, we should do this to test sound. That seems about fine. This is where it gets funny because I love this one. I don't understand why that happened. I do not understand how that happens. I put my headphones on. That's strange. Keep one off. I have some idea of what's going on. Yeah, I don't understand why it does that. I'm looking at the wrong screen. This is a good start. So I imported the subtitles I'd written before. So all we actually have to do today is Final Cut What You Doing. I turned background render off, so hopefully that sort of doesn't... It is already doing better than it did yesterday. But I turned background render off in the hopes that it won't do anything completely stupid because it doesn't have to render these videos. These videos were edited... Oh, do I have the old intro? Is it on number 5? It's not. It's on number 6. Can we see the old intro? Please? Please, Final Cut? I want the intro. Oh, there it is. Yes, edited by Power Director. The finest in editing here. Only the most fine quality content coming out of this house, you know? So let's try this. We know that it's... Right, so this stream is actually working remarkably well, all things considered. But I sort of expected it to work. Like, I can stream a static screen from this, but when I actually start editing, we'll see how many frames it drops. We're currently at 658 frames dropped. That'll go up. If the stream dies, just know that... Just know that either the laptop has kernel panicked or OBS has just died. Who knows? Also, the sound is finicky because, yeah. Where are we? We're going to be on episode 2 at the minute. So, all we have to do is go through, colour them, and check that the subtitles are correct. This is easier said than done. Some of this is incredibly quiet. I'll get onto that in a bit. I should actually shrink this OBS screen down, but I'm not going to because I don't want to make it die. Who said that? This is what we have to do. We have to cut a section, we have to then boost its volume by a lot. I'm going to take a pot that was me. Oh yes. This is totally not how I assigned the colours. No, where'd you get that idea from? They work. They're colours. So, I did some of this last night. What is that doing? I don't know what that is doing. I presume it's just trying to pull a buffer in from the network, because these aren't stored on my laptop, these are on the other computer on the network. connected by an Ethernet line. I was going to do a setup tour and never got around to it, so... Well, I did, but there was a lot of reflection, so... Yeah.
Okay. I've made an app because I'm amazing.
This is just it, you know? You go through and we go through and we assign colours and
Okay.
check that everything's not dying too much. We haven't dropped any frames. I won't jinx it. Keeping an eye on time as well because I've got to do some painting, as I said. Busy time. Well, relative.
Why? What's happened? Do you want me to break all the wood that's around the house? Break all the wood? Why? What's happened? Do you want me to break all the wood that's around the house?
You see, I think that should be... Do you want me to... Is there anybody in chat? Hello if there's anybody in chat. I don't know if there is or not. Where's the users in chat? Is it just me? Oh, it's the standard 3, but oh, it's the standard bots. Right, okay. Hello, bots. Stay Healthy bot is the only bot that I actually want in this chat, okay? Oh, and Stream Elements. We shall have no other bots in this chat, please remove yourselves. I banned a lot of the bots, they're still here. I banned a lot in Sam's channel as well, that was fun.
Why? What's happened? Do you want me to break?
I think this, yeah, but back onto actually, you know, the topic of the stream. I think that should be triple. I think that should be ellipsis, whatever it's called. God. I passed English with a 6. Was it a 6? My certificate's on. I passed English with a fairly high grade, and I can't remember the name of the 3 dots. This is a good start. Hello if there's anybody lurking in chat. I don't understand why you'd want... Have I had a Discord bot ping yet? I'm going to guess by the fact that my phone hasn't gone off. Thank you. Thank you at the top of the... Yeah, I'm not getting a Discord ping, am I? Great, right. They're all cyan.
Why? What's happened? Do you want me to break all the wood so you can change it to cobble? Yeah, okay. Yeah, okay.
Hold on. Okay. It's the 3 of us in this video, apparently. Well, by the sounds of it. By the looks of it, it's the 3 of us as well, actually, yeah. That is so strange. I actually don't know, like... Skyblock is sort of fun because there's an interesting series to look at because, you know, there's 2 main people which you can't hear, which is me and Sam, because of just how the...
Why? Oh, you're changing it all? Oh, yeah, now.
If you thought that this laptop was underpowered for streaming, or for recording video, this is recording as well. This is doing incredibly well. Its fans are kicking up, and yeah, you can just about hear the fans humming, but that's because I have the microphone quite far away. It's over here. It's on this monitor, which is why when I click that keyboard, you can hear it. The fans are sort of there. Yeah, but we filmed this on a we filmed these videos on a laptop even more underpowered than this. It's still in the drawer. If you look back on my Twitter a while ago, then I posted a picture with 3 laptops in it, which was this laptop that I'm streaming from, my MacBook, and then my old laptop, which is the Lenovo one, which we filmed these on, which has a high quality 1 GHz processor, 2 cores, 2 threads. At least this thing is hyper threaded, which is fun. When did I tweet that? I should actually, you know, do what I'm supposed to be doing, rather than sitting here looking up, scrolling through my phone. Oh, it was in April. Wow, blimey, that was a long time ago. There's a picture with a MacBook, and then another laptop, which is the laptop that Sam filmed all of what's it on, Murder Mystery, and then there's my old laptop with a 1 gigahertz dual core, which should not have been used for anything, even typing the word gaming. 4 gigs of RAM, couldn't keep up with now. Like, I have here, I don't know if you could hear the scraping as I just moved the thing, I have here an iPad Air 2. This iPad, I think, is actually more... Are you having a laugh? This iPad, I think, is more powerful than that laptop was, and we recorded on it. Are you turning? No. Where are you going? Are you having a laugh? Oh no, he's going down there. Wait, oh. God, are you going there? Am I going to have to turn... That's the sound of an ambulance reversing outside, going to somewhere up the road. Let's continue with this, and I'll talk while we
changing it all?
I'll talk while we subtitle. Yeah. Oh my god, now a dog. Hopefully that's not too bad. This is a dynamic microphone. More interesting. Oh, wait up. Somebody's come outside. Oh no, is that just the dog? Oh, that was the dog. Oh, that's not the ambulance. Where are you going, friends? Oh, I'm going somewhere.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, now. Why? Oh, you're changing it all? Oh yeah, now. Oh, okay.
So there's obviously something said there. So the way that this was recorded was through one of those, what's it called, HDP VR2 things. Which probably, if you connect it to a computer capable that meets the minimum requirements, it's probably capable. But this thing wasn't. You're what? What are you doing?
Sammy, you can do that. Oh, newbie.
This is why I eventually just gave up and just we have our names on the internet. Well, we have our first names on the internet now because it's just easier. It's easier in videos to just not bother. And I don't care that much anyway.
Sammy, you can do that. Oh, newbie. Oh no, there's bits of wood falling.
Yeah, there's a big reason that you can hear Roxy and GPig and not me and Sam. It's because apparently, well, by the sounds of it, we didn't have the capture software.
Oh no, there's bits of wood falling.
Have you got what? Who said that? Oh no, I don't want that. I want that. No, I don't. Oh, not having a good day today, crikey. Let's do that. That definitely sells. I literally can't hear it. I don't know who said it. I'd have to pitch shift it downwards, I think. Okay. Should have put the watch into silent mode.
No, sorry.
I'm gonna take a guess that that was me. Wait, can you hear Sam in this video or not? No. Could have been either of us. Literally either of us. The only way that you can actually hear me and Sam in these videos is literally feedback. Is from where...
No, sorry.
I have said something or Sam has said something down the microphone through an Xbox party, and it has come out of their speakers and gone into their microphone and come back along an Xbox party back to the capture card, because the capture card apparently only captured the what's it. I presume we tried to do multi-audio track and it just wasn't having it. I don't have source material for this, I can't check. If it had multi-audio track, I'd pull it into Final Cut or Resolve and I'd just, have a look, but I can't.
Okay, by the way, guys, my YouTube account, I haven't actually got a recorder yet, so, I'm not...
Why is that there? Why is that there? What did past me? I was going to swipe, I can't do that. I'm going to pull up here, I'm going to go into the video drive. I'm going to go into the Skyblock folder, and I'm going to go into subtitles, and I'm going to go into 2, and I'm going to hit space. I can't do that, okay. What was early March 2019 me? What was 2018 me thinking when he did this? Don't do that. Really don't do that.
Okay, by the way, guys, my YouTube account...
This should be... what's the tip? Because... oh,
by
God.
the way, guys...
What is it? Hesitation and interruption. We need... probably 2. Probably 3, yeah. That was the BBC guide for subtitles, which is what I use because it's useful, and it's the BBC, so it's going to be at least of some competence, and it's going to be compliant with Ofcom stuff, which is what we aim for, even though we don't have to be compliant, as per... well, we do subtitles mostly because I've done them for quite some time, but we've done them more since Tom Scott's video the other week where he told people to just buy some subtitles. But I'm not paying for subtitles, so I'll make them myself. And plus, I have the time.
Okay, by the way, guys, my YouTube account, I haven't actually got a recorder yet, so...
Take a guess if she ever got a recorder. Put your guesses in chat. There's no guess about it. You don't really need to.
So, I'm not doing recording yet.
I'm gonna do this. I did this yesterday and it lost the plot. Zoom. How much of this stream? I've been streaming for a half hour. How much of this stream has been me rambling? We're not going to go for much longer because we know that it sort of works. So, yeah. We're only 2 minutes into this video. Shall we do some more next week as well? Although I might do some more before then. We might try and, I don't know if I'll stream before then, but I might get around to what's it in? Might get around to just doing some more by then. Oh, mouse enlarged. Yeah, that's all. I'm not doing a recording. GPig's not with us. No, he's not. Was he perchance? Oh yeah, he. I remember this. He wasn't allowed on the Xbox. He spent too much time on it. Which isn't necessarily the greatest when you're trying to record a video. Also, there was a lot of this done outside of video, because what we would do, a lot of this was filmed pre having YouTube verification. That you do the YouTube verification, you put your phone number in, you get a text message, you put the code in. you know, you verify your phone number so you can verify you're not a spam account, even though it takes like 15 femtoseconds, and they'll probably send it to a VoIP number or a SIP number. Which I do have. I do have 2 SIP phones. For whatever reason. This was pre us having that. We got it a couple of... I don't know when these actually came out, and I can't check. Am I signed in on the other computer? Probably not. So I'm not gonna open Firefox.
I'm not doing...
I am gonna take a guess that Sam said GPig is not with us. But I'm going to turn this off and probably deafen myself in the process. That's Sam.
And he's not allowed on it.
Yeah, we'd run for what, 10 odd minutes. How long is this? Yeah, 10 to sort of 12 minutes. And in theory, we'd just, you know, stop and then move on to the next one. But it would be, we'd stop, wait for it to save, maybe file it away, while people kept playing, and you know, you end up losing track. I have got some stuff planned for in the future. For potentially in the very far future, as per usual with me, I'm planning stuff 4 or 5 years ahead for completely no reason, and I could, you know, sort this out for next year or something, and I'm just not.
For some people, some holidays for us anyway.
That should be over there. What? Oh no, that was a mistake. Slide that. Was this the summer holidays? When was this shot? I can't check when it was shot, but I mean...
Yeah, non-stop. Yeah.
Can't check when this was shot.
Stop. Yeah.
So... Yeah, this says 20... Oh, that's what's it file, isn't it? When was this uploaded? Am I signed in? Oh, this was a mistake. YouTube Studio. Then I'm going to switch my account to Sam, and that's going to absolutely screen. Also, I have no idea where I'm uploading... Is that why that person's car's there? I have no idea where I'm uploading this video to. I might make a new stream archive channel, because I don't have one, and I don't like it, and I don't really want to upload random stuff like this. Although I could put it on RPGPN. I think we have a stream archive channel for them somewhere. I could shove it on RPGPN TV, couldn't I? Or repurpose that as I so often do. Like, episode 2 was... Oh, August 13th, 2014. Okay. And then we uploaded episode 4 and then episode 3. We were planning ahead, as you can tell. They were in the wrong order for so long. I think I fixed them in 2018, 2017. When did I go away? You can tell I'm British. I must have fixed them 2017. Or whenever I uploaded them to the other channel. I'm going to switch my account back. Except my account isn't actually a proper account these days, so it'll do whatever it wills. Right. So, yeah, since we've established that this works, and I've got to actually get changed to do some painting at some point today, I'm going to stop here. We're going to go back to a starting soon, except I'm going to hide the starting soon bit in OBS. And I'm going to kill my desktop audio. I might do some more of these in the future. Yeah. I might decide, I might next Wednesday, oh, not next Wednesday, I might next, what day is it today? Next Friday. Is anything happening next Friday? Do I have anything on the calendar? I have something for the 3rd. Oh, that's that thing. Okay. I have a thing for Thursday. I don't have anything for Friday, so we might do one next Friday. We might If anybody wants to see a video of mine, actually, I might go back and do Undertale because that could be funny. Because I guess this sort of acts as a watch party thing as well. I have I think I have the old Undertale videos somewhere on this desktop, so I should be able to have a look through and find them. Yeah. What else? What other fun things are there? Let me open YouTube Studio back up. What? Oh god, it's changed channel again. Yay for having... Oh, I have a vlog channel I could repurpose. Isn't that referred to in the thing? Didn't I refer to that? Oh no, that was... Oh yes. Yes. Ponkey Vlogs is actually referred to, even though I've never uploaded to it. I've uploaded literally to a meme channel more. Except I haven't uploaded to a meme channel. What fun things? There's the old Material Energy cubed videos, which we did with Roxy and Sam and G-Pig in the background. So that could be entertaining, surely because they're from 2015 and they're old. And also that I would probably, to be able to listen to them comfortably, have to pitch shift myself down an octave. Oh, what are the fun things? Yeah, Undertale. I think maybe we'll do a watch party kind of thing with the old Undertale videos for a laugh, and subtitle them in Final Cut. We'll see. We might do that over the next couple of weeks. I have to update my laptop to sometime in the next couple of months I'll update my laptop to Big Sur, so that will probably break off my stuff that I've got running. Which is why I'm refraining from upgrading. Well, I upgraded to Catalina about 3 days after it came out last year, and that broke everything, so... Had to reset the laptop, did it while doing the Christmas quiz, left the laptop here, went into school, did the Christmas quiz, came back, it was done. So, oh, I've closed Firefox. Oh well. So... Thank you all for stopping by. I'll probably tweet when I upload this to a Stream Archive channel somewhere. I'll tweet which one I uploaded to. I don't know which one it's going to be. It'll be up at some point. Enjoy the 1610 because I'm streaming from my MacBook. And what is it that I'm supposed to say these days? Is it follow and for people on the stream? Just hit follow. I don't know. Say hello in the chat, even though I've got the chat closed and I can't see what you're saying. For people on the YouTube, I think I'm supposed to say subscribe and hit the bell. I don't know. I hadn't uploaded a proper YouTube video, and, well, Fall Guys was the last one, but I didn't know how to speak in that, so... I don't know what I'm supposed to say with YouTube these days, which is funny because I'm writing a video and I need to write something down for that. Okay, right, I'm gonna go. I will see you on the internet. Follow... I think my Twitter feed is down there now. I put a Twitch extension in there. So yeah, follow my Twitter and catch up with my antics, and my blog is somewhere, I don't know where it is, because who knows? So yeah, goodbye everybody.